welcome to next session. Today we are going to learn rational numbers and their decimal expansions. In this, it's a very simple thing. In class 9, you already learned this one. Now we are going to recollect the knowledge of the class 9. It's a very simple concept. Rational numbers and their decimal expansions. We have two theorems in this. First, theorem 1.6 I'll explain here. Let x is equal to p by q. X is equal to p by q. What is p by q? It's a rational number. It is a rational number. And that we know p and q both are integers. Here, students, factorization of q or factors of q, whatever it, factors of q, factors of q, if it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Listen students, factors of q, what is the q is? Q is a denominator in this. Q is a denominator. According to that, factors of q, if it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, what is mn here? Non-negative numbers. Non-negative numbers. M, n both are non-negative numbers. The factors of q is in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n. Then what type of number it is? Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Listen again. The denominator, whatever is the number, the denominator factors are, if it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, then it is terminating decimal. Now we will go for the another theorem. This is theorem 1.6 and this one is theorem 1.7. Here also same, let x is equal to p by q. This is rational and factors of q is not of the form 2 power m into 5 power n. That again same, m comma n are non-negative integers. Non-negative numbers or non-negative integers. What is the meaning of non-negative integers? From 0 to all positive values. 0 and positive values. Then if it is not in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n, then what is it? Non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating decimal. First one is terminates, where it is the denominator factors are 2 power m into 5 power n. And second one is the denominator factors is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Then the decimal expansion is what is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. First one is terminating decimal and second one is non-terminating repeating decimal. Now students, we will solve one example using the two theorems. The given example is 3 by 8. It's terminating or non-terminating, we have to check. Here, what is the numerator is 3 and denominator is 8. How to write this 8 as factors? Like LCM way, that is 2 4s and 2 2s and 2 1s. Then 3 by 2 cube. 8 is what is here? 2 cube. Here we know that the denominator factors, it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. It is in the form of this one. Just you check, cross verify. What is we got here? 2 cube. Yes, it is there, like exactly 2 power 3. And then second one is we don't have actually. Here non-negative number, what is n value we can take as 0. Here 5 power 0. What is the 5 power 0 value is 1. Then 2 cube into 1. What is the answer finally? 2 cube. Then automatically what type of decimal it is? Terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal. Directly we can write it. But still we will write the decimal form of this one. How to write it? Here 5 power n. 5 power n. What is the 2 power here? 3. Whatever is the m value, the n value also same. We'll take one more number. That is multiply and divide. This is we know already terminating decimal. We are finding terminating decimal. What is the terminating decimal now? Multiply and divide with the 5 cube. Because from according to the theorem, what is second number? 5. Then what is m n? M value already we know 3 and n value also I am selecting 3 only. Okay. Now 3 by 2 cube into what is the new number we are writing? 5 cube by 5 cube. If you cancel these two, what will get? Same number. There is no change. Now open that. 3 into 5 cube value what is? 125 in the numerator. Now come to the denominator. According to laws of exponents, here 2 into 5 whole cube, because power is same but we are writing two number to get 2 into 5. Now multiply these two. 3 into 125, that is 375 denominator. 2 5s are 10. The 10 cube. 10 cube is nothing but what is? 375 divided by 1000. Then what is the decimal part of this one? How to write? How many zeros are present here? 3 zeros. Then it will become 0.375. This is the what type of decimal? This one? We know already before only, that is terminating decimal. Now you see this one, terminating decimal. The fraction 3 by 8 is converted into decimal, that is 0.375. Students, without actual division method, long division method, we got it is a terminating decimal. Don't stop.